8 Samachir Max exercise 3.6 fourth sum. First sum fill in the blanks, second is true or false, third is match the following. I have sent you the copy from the textbook. So you will follow the fourth sum now. Find x and y. We have to find the value of the unknown. So you must remember that the numbers all have to be taken to one side. The variable will be in one side. So now 2x by 3 minus 4 is equal to 10 by 3. So you can write 2x by 3 is equal to 10 by 3 minus 4 has to come this side. So minus 4, if it comes to the other side, it becomes plus 4. So 2x by 3 is equal to 10 plus this is 1. So into 3 into 3. 4 3s are 12 divided by 3. That is, I am taking LCM. So taking LCM, we will get 2x by 3 is equal to 10 plus 12 by 3. So 2x by 3 is equal to 22 by 3. So 3 gets cancels, we will get 2x is equal to 22. So x is equal to 22 divided by 2, it is equal to 11. So your x value is equal to 11. Okay. So next sum, you have to find the value of y. So same way, take this number to the other side. So y minus 3y is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. This plus 1 by 6, it comes to the other side, it becomes minus 1 by 6. Y minus 3y is what? Minus 2y. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So these are like terms. This is also y, that is 1y. So 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 subtract means you will get minus 2. So minus 2y is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Take LCM for 3 and 6. 3 tables means 1 comma 2. So 3 2s are 6 is your LCM. So this into 2 into 2. So you will get 4 minus 1 by 6. So minus 2y is equal to 3 by 6. It is equal to what? Minus 2y is equal to 1 by 2. 3 tables, 1 time, 2 time. So minus, take this 2 this side means minus, sorry, you bring this y this side. So y is equal to, bring this number down means 1 by 2. Minus 2 comes here, so into 2. You know, multiplication come to the other side becomes division. So this minus 2 comes down. So your y is equal to minus 1 by 4. So y is equal to what? Minus 1 by 4. Now next sum, 1 by x minus, so you can write as 1 by x by 3. 3 is common to both, so you can take together. It is equal to 7x by 12 plus 5 by 4. So 1 minus x by 3 is equal to, take LCM for 12 and 4. So 2 tables, 6 times, 2 times, 2 tables, 3 times, 1 time, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 7x into 3 into 3. So you will get plus 15 by 12. So 1 minus x by 3 is equal to 7x plus 15. You cross multiply. Otherwise you can cancel. This is 1 time, this is 4 times. So 4 into 1 minus x is equal to 7x plus 15. So 4 minus 4x is equal to, multiply 4 with both the terms. 4 minus 4x is equal to 7x plus 15. Take this 4 this side, take this number this side. So 4 minus 15 is equal to 7x plus 4x. So you will get minus 11 is equal to 11x. So x is equal to what? Minus 11, this 11x by x is equal to minus 11 divided by this 11. You bring this 11 down. So x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to what? Minus 1. X value is minus 1. Now fifth sum. Find x and p. So you have to find the value of x and p here. So minus 3 into 4 multiply minus 12x. Minus 3 is common to both, so multiply with minus 3 for both the terms. Minus 9 3s are 27 is equal to 21. So minus 12x is equal to 21 plus 27. It is equal to what? 48. So minus 12x is equal to 48 means x is equal to 48 by minus 12. It is equal to minus 4. So here x is equal to minus 4. Now multiply here, 20 minus 2 is common to both, so multiply minus 10. Minus 2 is common, so minus into minus is plus 2 into p is equal to 8. So 2p, 10 plus 10 minus 10 is 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 plus 2p is equal to 8. So 2p is equal to 8 minus 10. This plus 10, if it comes to the other side, it becomes minus 10. So 2p is equal to minus 2. So p is equal to what? Minus 2 divided by this 2. It is equal to minus 1. So your p value is minus 1. Next for this, multiply the terms. 7x minus 5, minus 4 is common to both. Minus 8 minus into 5 is minus 20x is equal to multiply 10 with both. 20 minus 10x. So bring this 10x this side. So 7x minus 20x minus 10x becomes plus 10x is equal to 20. Bring these two terms this side, plus 5 plus 8. So minus terms come this side, it becomes plus. So it is equal to 25 plus 8 is 33. So subtract means 7 plus 10, so minus 3x. 7 plus 10 is 17, 20 minus plus 17. So it is minus 3. So x is equal to 33 by minus 3, it is equal to minus 11. So here x is equal to minus 11. Now sixth sum, find x and m. Find x and m. 3x minus 2 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 1. Take LCM 4 and 5. So the LCM is 20. So this value has to be multiplied with 5. So 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into, that is, this has to be multiplied with 5, this has to be multiplied with 4. So numerator also you will multiply. X minus 3 is equal to minus 1. 5 3s are 15x minus 10 minus 4x plus 12. Minus into minus is plus, 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus 1. Bring this 20 this side into 20. So it is equal to minus 20. 15x minus 11x. Minus 10 plus 2 will 12 plus 12. 12 minus 10 is what? 2. So plus 2. Bigger number is plus. Is equal to 20. So 11x is equal to minus 20 plus 2 will come this side, it becomes minus 2. So 11x is equal to minus 22. X is equal to minus 22 by 11, it is equal to minus 2. So your x value is minus 2. Now for this, m plus 9 by 3m plus 15 is equal to 5 by 3. Just cross multiply. This has to be multiplied with 3, this has to be multiplied. Take this term this side. So 3 into m plus 9 is equal to 5 into, bring this term here, 3m plus 15. So 3m plus 27. 9 3s are 27. Multiply both the terms. 15m plus 75. 15 into 5 will give you 75. Bring this 15 this side. 3m minus 15m is equal to 75 minus 27. So subtract means you will get minus 12m is equal to 75 minus 27. 15 6. So 8 4 is equal to 48. So m is equal to what? 48 divided by minus 12. So it is equal to minus 4. So here m is equal to minus 4.